October, November, and then December, and then watch what happens when we go to 2009. Look at that. All the sun can do now is blow little smoke rings out the side for some reason. It's completely different. It's acting unbelievably different than it did before. You're not getting any coronal mass ejections out of the north or south of the sun. Everything's coming out of the sides like that in little smoke rings.
Wow. What's the... You're going into the explanation? It's like there's some kind of pull.
Like I said,
pressure.
I can't get into my own personal opinion about things, but what I can do is just show you what I found. And you guys have to put it together on your own. You know, it's there's a lot of information here. So basically, the sun has dramatically changed in the course of a couple of years. The reason why I started at 2003 is because that's when the NEAT comet went by. The NEAT comet was covered up by NASA very well. They did a good job, and I'll show you how they did that. This was the sun back in 2002. This is the sun today. There's the difference. Okay. Now look at this. This is from NASA itself. The radiance of the sun. Look in 2003 when that comet went by. It dropped all the way down to the bottom of the scale. Same thing with the sunspots or the magnetic field. 2003 it drops down tremendously, and also 2003 the sunspots drop right there, right when that so-called NEAT comet. Right here, NASA tells you, it turns out that none of our models were totally correct. The sun is behaving in an unexpected way and very interesting. Let's see here, set a space-age record for sunspot. In our professional careers, we've never seen anything quite like it. Solar minimum has lasted far beyond the date we predicted in 2007. So, all their predictions for what the sun's supposed to be doing are way off. The North Pole movement suddenly jumped. It was going along fine, and then all of a sudden it just started taking off. Here's the article about how Canada's losing their North Pole. And also the South Pole has slowed down. The South Pole is moving along at a good clip, and now it's slowed down tremendously. So you've got the two different poles doing different things. This is interesting here. This is right on National Geographic. Earth's core magnetic field changing fast. What is so surprising is the rapid, almost sudden changes take place in Earth's magnetic field. The findings suggest similarly quick changes simultaneously occurring in a liquid metal core 1,900 miles below the surface. So you've got rapid changes in the Earth's core. Let's see here. The Chandler wobble is basically the wobble of the Earth. They don't really know what causes it, but there was this anomaly in 2006 that they haven't been able to explain. It took me forever to verify that this was a real graph from the Observatoire de Paris, but yeah, this is actually a real graph. They're the ones that monitor pole movement, and there was a major anomaly that's unexplained in there. The cosmic arrays in 2009 increased 19%. That's right from NASA's their graph. They were expecting the cosmic rays to be here, but yet they're up here. Okay, so because of the magnetic field is going down so high, 2009 cosmic ray intensity has increased 19% beyond anything we've seen in the past 50 years. We're experiencing the deepest solar minimum in nearly a century. So something's going on with the sun. Natural